move and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Torrington local and long-distance movers near me. If your new home or office is more than 50 miles away from where you stay now, you'll need a credible long-distance moving service provider. Luckily, we have all the necessary facilities and personnel to execute a long-distance relocation successfully. Our moving trucks and vans can carry all your belongings conveniently at once. We keep our trucks in the best condition because we want to avoid damaging our clients' properties. However, if any accidents or damages occur while we're transporting your belongings, we have insurance to take care of it. We offer Torrington residents the best local moving services at an affordable rate. We have movers who know all the roads in Torrington. These movers can navigate the streets with ease, regardless of how busy they are. Our local moving services cost as low as $30 to $40 per hour. Individuals who have used our moving services in Torrington before can testify that you'll get the best service for every dollar you invest with us. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Torrington moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.